Hi, I'm Jake Norman, Innovations Manager at OAL, and I'm here to tell you more about our Steam Infusion Cooking Classes. If you're like me, then you'll only believe something when you see it, and that's why we've put together these free-to-attend classes so you can see how Steam Infusion can help you overcome your manufacturing pains. Typically, these can be slow and inconsistent cooking, burn-on and the product quality and cleaning challenges this creates, and those manufacturers struggling to differentiate themselves in an overcrowded marketplace. At our cooking classes, you get to see for yourself how Steam Infusion has helped food manufacturers overcome these problems. The classes take place at our research centre in the National Centre for Food Manufacturing, which is part of the University of Lincoln. For our international attendees, this is a short 60-minute train ride from London to Peterborough, and then we organise the onward transport. The classes are led by our development chef Chris Brooks, who has a wealth of industry experience and knowledge which he's ready to pass on to attendees. Every class we focus on a different application which has been tried and tested with the Steam Infusion technology. Past sessions have covered applications such as creamy desserts, tomato sauces, meat sauce and chunky vegetable soup. And yes, you do get to taste the end product afterwards. Not only do attendees gain first-hand experience cooking with Steam Infusion, but they also get to learn from food scientists at the University of Lincoln about the science that sits behind the technology. This balance of practical and theory ensures that attendees leave having a full understanding of how Steam Infusion can help them transform their products and manufacturing processes. Each session is limited to approximately 6 people to ensure that all attendees get the most out of the day and have all their questions answered by our experts. So now you know more about it, why not sign up today to our next cooking class? Check out our events page for the latest listings or get in touch with us to find out more.